severe thunderstorm warning capable of producing considerable damaging wind gusts expected. This is a special marine warning through open waters of St. Clair through St. Clair River and Detroit River. I'm over here in Macomb County. Somehow we have not gotten warned yet. I can show we are under a enhanced risk. We're under a slight risk, but we're just east of the boundary line. And I fucking clicked the wrong thing, but that's the enhanced risk right there. And it's just the state of Michigan that's under this enhanced risk. There is another enhanced risk out in the plains, but the only enhanced risk in the Midwest is slap bang in the middle of central and southern Michigan, and it's just Michigan. We've been keeping tabs. There was a tornado warning out in Ingham County. Hopefully we don't get anything like that here, but that's the same storm that's been moving out here. Oh, and this was updated. This just got updated. Damn, just sent a voice message.
I'm taking shelter right now. Our sirens are going off.
Wow. Good call, Dan. Let's hit Livonia right now. Moving straight east. Hopefully this one in Oakland County stays how it is. I'm actually going to bring my weather radio out here just so that I can It's currently 6:27 p.m. $250 years. July 4th is tomorrow. We're getting shit like this the day before, and the siren test is tomorrow. Oh man, this is great.
Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Roseville, Shelby Township, Ray Center, Utica, Fraser, East Point, Washington, New Haven, Stony Creek Metro Park, and Centerline. People attending on field should seek safe shelter immediately. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: Macomb, Michigan.
Oh shit, it's rolling in. Ooh, big mushroom. Oh shit, something's here. Uh, well, that was.
Hey, buddy.
Oh. You could hear the low 60 hertz. There's a cold front. I'm feeling the cool air now. Coming in.
Oh, hi, Jamie.
Hey,
What's up?
what's everyone doing? Oh, the way. It's really picking up.
Can't use my old video camera.
Oh, starting to rain now.
The little breeze feels kind of nice. Where they're going. I don't know what the action's at.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: St. Clair, Michigan,